Dad saw me woodworking with a friend of his, taught me to appreciate the fine woods. Being a Kentuckian at Cherry and Warren, I was 8 years old at the time, 69 years. The Carpenter Workshop is just a name I gave the shop. I'm a Christian, and basically I work for the Carpenter. I did not come up with electronics background. We were joking the other day, believe it or not, pocket calculator came out when I was in college. It took me quite a while to learn the programming. And it was a better program that come with the shark. We jokingly laughed and said, it's simple enough that Grandpa can do it. I can do my boxes on a computer from start to finish in about 30 minutes. I went looking for a laser. So we went to Wood Tractor to look to see what they had, and we saw the BRYANT. And for less money, I had a router plus a laser. So it fit my bill at the time. It does all the projects I had to do. I've taken every class that they had offered. I was one of the first students that they had in the first class. And it was CNC 101 or 100, I don't remember which exactly. But then it was just the basic how to use a CNC. Then they went into doing some projects, 2D and 3D. 24 minutes to do the bottom, and 12 minutes to do the front. So that is 36 minutes for 2 boxes. When I started woodworking, toolbox with 2 saws, a coarse cut and a whipping saw, a couple of scales, pencil, chisels, and a hammer. Now, as you can see, I'm fully mechanized.